The Northern Ambulance Alliance was initiated in 2016 by North East, North West and Yorkshire Ambulance Services, with East Midlands joining in 2017. The collaboration covers a vast geography and demography with a significant number of staff delivering services to a growing demand, as you can see from the slide. The aim of the NAA collaboration is to work together to improve quality and delivery in terms of safety, efficiency, effectiveness and experience of both staff and service users through sharing and learning areas of best practice, opportunity and challenge with each other. The NAA Board and Chief Exec meetings oversee the work of the projects and the networking groups that seek to achieve the NAA objectives. Support to deliver the NAA objectives comes from a mix of specific dedicated NAA roles who are mostly seconded from member trusts, as well as colleagues who agree to lead projects and networks. A significant number of colleagues across a wide range of roles are members of the working groups as subject matter experts and essential critical friends. Support is also sought from comms, HR and recruitment, finance, procurement, and ICT colleagues across the 4 trusts to ensure effective functioning of the NAA. The coordination of all of this work by a small NAA team ensures opportunities are identified across the networks and the projects and benefits maximised for all trusts. There are 3 network groups across the NAA that meet to support our workforce. The Employment Relations Network not only shares on areas of opportunity and challenge, but focuses on a specific topic every month to enable the right data and membership to move the discussion forward. Recently, this has included how we support colleagues with long COVID and job evaluation learning. The Education Network has focused on the opportunity to share scarce specialist resource, develop specific training that can be used by all, and to share work undertaken in one trust, for example on a Staten-manned training dashboard that can then be used by all. The HR directors also meet as part of ACE and where appropriate look at opportunities across an NAA footprint. The Sustainability and Net Zero Carbon Network has met regularly since it was set up last year to ensure collaborative action to deliver the requirements of the Health and Care Act on climate change, as well as working with the Fleet Network on this agenda. A project has also been initiated by this group to reduce Entonox use and identify suitable alternatives. The Fleet Network has been meeting regularly for over 12 months. Initially benchmarking on a wide range of areas to identify commonalities, gaps and opportunities. They also review much of their monthly operational data to understand performance and opportunities to share learning and improvement. Recent work has examined vehicle procurement, operational fleet issues, the Fleet Information Management System, electric vehicles and infrastructure, and the National Vehicle Spec, with opportunities identified by the group on how they can support further work around prototype vehicles. The Public Health Network, which also benefits from the membership of Scottish Ambulance Service, is aligned with the National ACE work building on the consensus statement, discussion paper and roundtable event. The group is seeking to develop a practical toolkit this year based on the themes identified by ACE around public health capability and capacity, use of data, training and education, leadership, partnerships, and our role as anchor organisations. The NAA Toolkit will be a live document that builds on the case studies already shared and offering a self-assessment maturity matrix for trusts to support effective delivery on this agenda. In our digital work, the NAA has moved beyond its Chief Information Officer network and working to the SRO for Digital, the Digitisation Programme Board has oversight of 3 cross-trust projects covering common computer-aided dispatch, robotic process automation and fleet management, all working to an agreed multi-trust governance structure supported by SMEs from across the NAA. The digital team also supports national and NAA-wide innovation forums which act as the catalyst for identifying new collaborative opportunities. The Common CAD project is the centrepiece of our digital work. This ambitious project aims to deliver interoperable 999, 111 and PTS CAD capabilities to 3 of our trusts. Following the issue of an invitation to tender, a contract will be awarded to a single supplier in early 2023. Thereafter, each trust will be able to procure its services at a time of its choosing against an agreed specification, which will over time deliver cross-trust interoperability, including, for example, the ability to see each other's ambulance availability and potentially directly dispatch assets from other trusts. It will also deliver interoperability between service lines within trusts. The NAA Robotic Process Automation Project is the first of its kind in the ambulance sector and is a 3-year collaboration across all 4 NAA trusts, started with the benefit of NHS England funding. The aim of the project is to release staff from routine data entry work to allow them to use their skills elsewhere. The initial focus will be on support services, and the video is showing a live process in EMAS, which automates the new joiner onboarding process. We have a pipeline of over 50 potential processes identified across the NAA, and we're also working with other ambulance trusts to share our knowledge and experience. In the longer term, we intend to use our RPA work as a catalyst to consider the potential for the use of wider artificial intelligence capabilities. The Tramman project was the first NAA collaboration in 2018, with a shared fleet management system introduced across 3 of our trusts. Notwithstanding the procurement cost savings achieved by working together, having a common capability has allowed our fleet network to collaborate on the development of best practice, and this has included the introduction of tablet devices, which will in time make the vehicle servicing system paper-free. Further benefits are being achieved through a joint continuous improvement process, which includes delivering the interoperability needed to allow the system to directly feed national and trust performance dashboards. Work on a replacement system is underway, with all 3 fleet departments committed to continue to work together. The PMO network ensures a safe space for PMO peers to share and learn, as all the networks do, but also to identify shared PMO approaches, methodologies, and effective mechanisms to support projects, as well as an opportunity to highlight where projects in each trust may offer opportunity to collaborate across the NAA. There is also an emerging group of those who are working in strategy and partnerships, which is being supported to develop, recognising the context of systems working and the current challenges all ambulance trusts are facing. The NAA represents collaboration across the continuum of partnership working, from peer support to sharing and learning and benchmarking, through to joint small and major change projects. Recognising the context of the last 2.5 and next few years, the NAA offers the member trusts a unique opportunity to really deliver together on the challenges we all face and maximise the opportunity that this partnership offers for all our service users, staff and systems we work in.